There are 5 passenger doors, 3 cargo doors, and 2 service access doors. The 5 plug-type passenger doors are designated as the forward entry door, galley door, left and right service door, and an aft entry door. The passenger door indicators are located on the second officer's annunciator panel. The cargo doors are located on the lower right side of the fuselage. They are number 1, 2, and 3. Cargo door 1 and 2 are non-plug type doors which open outward. The number 3 door is being deactivated and permanently secured in the closed position. The cargo door indicators are located on the second officer's annunciator panel. When the number 1 door is open, the forward cargo light illuminates. When the number 2 door is open, the aft cargo light illuminates. The number 3 cargo door is deactivated. However, the door position switch is active. If the number 2 door is closed and the aft cargo light remains illuminated, contact maintenance. 2 service access doors are located on the bottom of the fuselage. These doors allow entry into the nose compartment and the electronic or E&E compartment. The service access doors open inward. If either door is open, the equipment access light on the second officer's annunciator panel illuminates.